Good morning, everyone. That is, you can reply.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So you all are present. So I'll start the class. And today I will finish that and then we will go to the next one. And believe me, your portion, again, I will take that term one portion of सबको समझ में आ गया है. So we will just stick to that. अभी एक दो few programs I will do for the this one. What I have taught modules. Okay. So after that, we will go straight away to the next one. Okay. So you are now understood how to make modules. Nothing great in it. You have to make functions only. One or two program I'll make today. And in that, you have to write the functions. Don't write main. And after that, you write import statement and call the function with the import. That is whatever it is. Suppose Sir Razam and Likada, today I will give some other name. Okay. And just I will see that syllabus also. So share. And I will take the syllabus. CBSE academics. I think I have downloaded or not. I will download this now. New curriculum. Term wise. This I have to take term wise. And this I will today save it and keep it in the folder. So every time I need now to open the website. Term wise computer science. Topics are same, only reduced. Save. And this I will keep to this folder. Desktop पे रख लेते हैं. रज़ा नाम का नाम का folder होगा. Rज़ा computer science from wise portion. Save. Not responding. Why? What I have done, I have just wait. Why it is now set. Okay. Now see here. This syllabus last time term wise. 11th it is 12th will come. This type of program we have already done. Okay. So these programs are important for the CBSE examination.
Join without video.
Pardon? In 11th class, we have done all these programs. Okay. Correct or not? This all programs which I am showing you here for 11th class, this all we have done already. Even this type of series 1 to the x power 1, 2, 3. I think revision also I have done. List, tuple, create dictionary, roll number, sub we have done. Now see here, NCERT textbook computer science is available on net. You can read that. And support materials also on the website. CBSE website is there. So you can go through that. I normally don't read, but you read it so that you will get some help from it. Okay, unit wise, term 1. So revision of class 11th we have done. This whole part is completed. Yes or no? Completed. Scope of variable, local, global, everything I have explained. And this default parameter arguments, positional, and the keyword also I have taken. Extra ही पढ़ाया है, कम नहीं पढ़ाया है. Introduction to files है और अभी वो programming है. text files, binary files, and CSV files. This I have to take. So that means once I will enter to the files, then I will go to, and files will help you to make projects also. So next we'll start the files only Monday onward. We will start the files. Okay. So tomorrow you are not having any class. So Monday onward, and those who are taking part in different activities, please check the website. Okay. So enough. अब मैं term इसके बाद आ जाता हूँ. I will go to the. So many files are open here. Inside those. Yes. Now I'll come to the point. Python. Today my system is running slow. Either it is on update mode or I don't know what is the reason. Or net is slow. No virus because it is 100% protected. मैंने powerful antivirus लगा रखा है. That is total quick heal, total security. So many files were open. That's why it was going slow. Very slow system is running today. Wait. My Python is not started yet. So modules, program, one more producer, right? Few programs I will take in this and I will show it to you how it works. Come on. File, new. So I will, here I will write, like last time I told you, ki if you write import, so Raza was there, or what was the name of the module, you tell me? Raza sir.
Raza sir.
Okay. And when you write here print Raza sir dot, I think product was also there, and you give any number and run, you will get the result. Though the program, no program is written here. And your prod is also working like any built-in function. On 20. 5 4s are 24, 5s are 20. करेक्ट है. सो अब मैं एक दो प्रोग्राम और लिख दूं ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए और कहानी खत्म करूं. सो आई विल राइट अ फंक्शन डेफ. अब देखो जैसे आपको बस समझाने के लिए कि वी हैव मैथ डॉट वी ओ, इंस्टेड ऑफ वी ऑर्डर मैं पावर लिखना चाहता हूँ, मेरी मर्जी. सो आई विल टेक 2 पैरामीटर्स and power programs, you are aware of it. I think I have made, not made, I will write it again. So basically we get the a to the power b value. A is the base and b is the power. So for I in range, जो भी power है, that is b plus 1 तक loop चलाएंगे. And then I will write it here, p is equals to p into I. Power def power a comma b, p is equals to 1 for I in range 1 comma b plus 1. P is equals to p into I. Now what is the value of p into I नहीं लिख के बल्कि p into a लिखेंगे. जो भी पावर है उतने टाइम a has to be multiplied. I think logic is clear to you. नहीं है तो मैं explain कर देता हूँ last time. What is there? Suppose a is equals to 4 and b is equals to only 2. लंबी processing नहीं करते. P is equals to 1 I am taking here, and then I is executing one time, so that P will become as 1 into A. A is 4. Result should come as 16. 4 to the power 2 is 16. Then next time I is executing twice, then 2, and P is equals to twice. I is equals to, when I value is 2, then P is equals to, this value is 1 into 4 is equals to 4. So this will become as 4 into 4 is equals to 16. And then is it clear to you? So one function, it is 100% running perfectly. देख लिया, check कर लिया, and then I write it here. Return P. A function can return or cannot return. A function can return also no value void also. So void करना कोई जरूरी नहीं है, but if you want to give, you can. When return void value, no value. And if you want to return some value, return. If you don't give any return statement, by default it will not return any value. So next program I make, you say anything, like I make the simple interest. Purposely I'm writing few functions so that you are aware of it, nothing great in it. And then simply I'll write it here, return P into R into T divided by, ये हो गया. एक फंक्शन और ले लो, def prime, to check that prime or not. So इसके लिए आपको लॉजिक बनाना पड़ेगा कि अगर प्राइम है तो different logics I have taught you, but I will take the simple one. If n mod I equals to 0, C is equals to C plus 1. For I in range 1 comma n plus 1, if n mod I equals to 0, C is equals to C plus 1. And then you write print नहीं करते हैं, if C equals to 2, return one, else return. Different logics you can make. Return 0. So if number is prime, it will return 0. Otherwise, to run this program, I will write मैं ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, बस ये last है, आज के बाद I will not teach you, क्योंकि syllabus पढ़ा ही नहीं तो why to teach? Power, just to see that it is running perfectly. Print SI just checking it. And print prime. But print prime से पता नहीं चलेगा. I will take this value in X and then I will write prime. If X equals to 1, ये लिखना ही पड़ेगा. X, sorry, 2, print firstly it was again running so slow. Now I have closed all the files, running fast. So run कर लेते हैं. Okay, 1200 तो आ गया. प्राइम में क्या हो गया? What is the problem?
1 और 0 रिटर्न होएगा ना उसमें प्राइम में.
भी 0।
x equal to 2 लिख रखा।
वेट क्या 2 लिखे? x इज इक्वल टू 2। सो 2 प्राइम तो हो गई अगर c है n mod i 1 2 n n 5 c is equal c plus if c equals to 2 print अच्छा 1 आना चाहिए। ये लॉजिक ऐसा बनाया है। करेक्ट। एक काम करते हैं और इसको सिंपल कर देते हैं, इसको सिंपल कर देते हैं, ये भी हटा देते हैं। जब नीचे इफ लगा ही रहे तो इसको लिखने क्या है, इफ। ठीक है, अब सही हो गया। देखो क्या सोचा था अभी चेंज कर दिया। अभी 5 प्राइम को क्या दिक्कत आ रही है, एक्स रिटर्न नहीं है, रिटर्न सी। ओके सी तो फिर 2 से ज्यादा भी हो सकता है। ठीक है, और लॉजिक चेंज कर देंगे। अभी मुझे क्या है, लॉजिक्स तो अपने हाथ में है। चलो अगेन स्लो। Oh, today's system is running slow, not responding. Okay, prime number आ गया। I will not give a prime number. तो else भी लिख सकते हैं, else don't. Suppose I'll give the value as, ठीक है, तो प्राइम जगह जो डायरेक्टली वैल्यू दिया है, I will give here as it is not a prime. ठीक है, ये ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, लॉजिक सिंपल हो गया। और अंडरस्टूड? ओके और अगर आप चाहते हो कि जैसे ही कोई नंबर लिख के प्राइम आ जाए तो वो भी कर सकते हैं बिना उसके। ये दो स्टेटमेंट जो हैं, यहाँ से कंट्रोल एक्स एंड रिटर्न सी हटा दो, कोई जरूरी नहीं है। कंट्रोल वी, इफ एल्स। तो अपने को यूजर क्यों लगाएगा इफ, अब पता करने के लिए अपन ही लगा देते हैं। तो वो तो खाली लिखेगा प्राइम, बट इसमें प्रिंट का चक्कर पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जब आप प्रिंट लिखते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे फंक्शन ऐसे होते हैं जो डायरेक्टली रिजल्ट देते हैं, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं प्रिंट ही लिखूं हर बार। x is not a find। where is x? x c। okay, so logics you have to make in this way। आप प्रोग्रामिंग सीख रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? तो अब यूजर को कुछ टाइप नहीं करना है, इफ अब इसको हटा दें, हटा दिया। फाइल पे गए, फाइल सेव एज, एंड आई विल गिव एज केविन, केविन कैल्क, ये फंक्शन का नाम है। केविन का ये कैलकुलेटर है जो कि बहुत सारे काम करेगा। सो ओके, अब मैंने फिर जाऊंगा किसी दिन, ये भी बंद कर दिया। केविन कैल्क मेरे पास है, I will just click here, I will start Python। Now I need now to write program। इसमें और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ क्योंकि सिलेबस में नहीं है, कि आपको लोकेशंस वगैरह में प्रॉपरली डिफाइन करना पड़ता है। मैंने तो सिर्फ डिफॉल्ट जो भी इसका लोकेशन है वहां पर सेव कर दिया है, और सच्चाई कुछ और है। इसमें और भी बहुत कुछ है, but as syllabus is not there, why unnecessary I will teach you. So here I'll start a new file and then I will import Kevin Calc. अब देखो, पहले हम सोचते थे कि ये मैथ इंपोर्ट क्या करते हैं, अब समझ में आ रहा है कि केविन कैल्क इज मॉड्यूल इज बेसिकली हैविंग द फंक्शन, जैसे कि मैथ इज हैविंग द फंक्शन. आर यू गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट? मैं इतनी मेहनत से पढ़ा रहा हूँ, आउट ऑफ सिलेबस भी है, ये सिलेबस में भी मेंशन नहीं है. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? एवरीबडी इज गेटिंग दिस? Parth is not getting, Noel is not getting, and who else is here? Pulkit is not getting. Parth, what's wrong with you? Are you getting this concept? Am I audible, Parth? You are asked to unmute and talk to me. Parth? I think Parth has joined some other classes and just logged into my class. Parth? All other can hear me? You can hear me, no? Please show thumbs up that I'll come to know that you can hear me. No problem, I'll show you also. Parth, what's wrong? I asked you about, I'll ask to unmute you, but still you are not saying anything. Have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir. So there was some network issue. That's why I wasn't.
Okay, no, even I'm facing some problem today, maybe network issue. So what I will write it here, print. अगर आप चाहो तो जैसे नॉर्मली इनपुट करते हैं ना, n इज इक्वल टू int इनपुट, मतलब आप समझ गए सब कुछ, मैं तो बस ऐसे ही कर रहा हूँ, एंटर नंबर, क्योंकि टुमारो आई मीन मंडे ऑनवर्ड आई हैव टू स्टार्ट फाइल. दिस यू कैन टेक एज n a b as you wish, ऐसा नहीं है कि a b लो. दिस यू कैन टेक m int इनपुट पावर वैल्यू, कितनी पावर वैल्यू देनी है, and then you write it here, print. अब a to the power b लिख दिया तो कोई गलत थोड़ी नहीं है, ये तो टेक्स्ट है ना, या तो कुछ भी लिखो. and then I will write Kevin calc dot, and the function I will use POW here. Then here I will actually write n comma. N is the base, m is the exponent, and you will get the result. I have called only one function. Yes. Very slow. Very slow. That is 4 and 3. 64. And any doubt? This way we can run all other functions also. Prime also will be everything. Understood all of you? So please note down this program. File. इसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं है ना. This program is having nothing. The thing is Kevin calc. Kevin calc. Please note down this. ये कमेंट्स रखना चाहो तो रख लो, हटाना है तो हटा दो. What's the time? Oh, I got another class now. So I will take your attendance now. Have you written, all of you, please? All of you have written. Should I stop now? So stop share. Wait for your attendance and then go, please. Wait for your attendance, please. Okay. And